If you recently got a call from 621-0060 claiming to be from Bank of America about a denied purchase at Target, you are not alone. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly what's happening, who's behind it, and how to stay safe. So here's what happened. I got a call from an unknown number, 621-0060. They left a voicemail saying something like,
Bank of America, a purchase was declined for $219.35 at Target.com. Press 1 if you recognize this purchase. If you do not recognize this purchase, call us at 1-800-504-7355.
Sounds legit, right? The message uses a calm, professional tone, even mentioning Bank of America and Target, which adds credibility. But I decided to dig a little deeper before calling back. I ran a reverse lookup on both numbers. Here's what I found. The number 621-0060 doesn't belong to Bank of America at all. It's actually registered to Marion P. Thomas Charter Schools in New Jersey. And that second number they asked me to call, 504-7355, traces back to something called Keys to Safer Schools, which is an education-related program. So clearly, neither of these numbers has anything to do with Bank of America or Target. This is what's happening behind the scenes. Scammers are spoofing phone numbers, meaning they fake the caller ID to look like a legitimate U.S. business or organization. Then they send out mass robocalls pretending to be your bank. Once you call back, they'll try to phish your information, asking for your bank account number, card number, PIN or verification code. They might even send fake text messages or emails to make the scam look more convincing. If you get a call like this, do not call them back. Instead, 1. Hang up immediately. 2. Call your bank directly using the official number on your card or their website. 3. Report the scam to ftc.gov or reportfraud.ftc.gov. 4. Block the number and mark it as spam. Remember, banks will never ask you to verify your card or send codes over the phone. Scammers are getting smarter every year, and the only way to beat them is by spreading awareness. If you've gotten the same call from 621-0060 or any similar message pretending to be Bank of America, share your story in the comments below. It could help someone avoid being scammed. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I post regular updates about scams, fraud alerts, and consumer protection tips so you can stay one step ahead. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.